Hello all you beautiful people. Today we are going to give our pictures this 90s glow effect which is really in trend right now, and we are going to do this on Picsart. So open the picture of your choice on Picsart. This is going to take some time, okay, but it's really simple, trust me. Go to FX, go to lens blur. I'm setting the radius to 5. Now I'm going to take the eraser and erase the lens blur effect from my face. This step is optional. Save the effect. Let's move on to the next step, which is Colorize. Select Colorize and let's set the hue to around 285 to 86. After that, we are going to set the fade around 70. These are the basic settings for this 90s glow effect, but of course you can customize these settings according to how your image is and in what settings it has been clicked. So apply this, and guys, I've learned this tutorial from RevealingAppYay on YouTube. She's got a really nice channel, please check it out. So the optimum settings for the next step, film 2, she has given noise 21, blur 0, fade 56. I'm going to change the settings according to my image. So just play around with the options, see what looks good on your image. I'm keeping the blur to 0. Noise to, let's see, 23, and fade all the way up to 77. Next, I'm going to VNYL 3, and horizontal is -100, fade 70, noise 10, fade 61. Okay, I'll also write the settings that I've used on my image down in the description so it's easier for you to follow. Next, let's go to Ivory and turn the fade up to 80. Ta-da! After this, we are going to add some stickers. So go to the sticker option and search for glitter. When you search for glitter, the option that you have to choose is the one which will look invisible. So here it won't even be visible. Yeah, that's the one. Now we are going to expand it. For it to fill the screen, I'm going to reduce the opacity a little bit. Now take the eraser tool and erase it out of the areas you don't want it to be in. I'm also reducing the opacity of the eraser and just playing with the options and using different opacity levels on different areas of the screen. Once I'm satisfied with this, I'm going to save it. Next, we are going to add some sparkle. So go back to stickers and search for sparkles. And in sparkle also, the perfect option is the one which is invisible. Now I'm reducing the opacity quite a lot. I think in this image, I was not able to utilize the sparkle that much, but in an image where sunlight would be falling on some areas, this can look really nice. So I'm gonna duplicate it quite a few times and use it on different areas of the image. Once I'm satisfied with the placement of the sparkles, I am going to click save, and that's it, guys. I think the image looks really nice. Let me know what your thoughts are on this, and let me know if you have any questions. Bye bye.